Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Abrana, also known as Na. But I like Na so much because it always reminds me of my origin. So if you don't mind, call me Na, and I will give you. So on this channel, we'll talk about health and beauty, hair growth, weight management, business, vlogging, and a bit of everything. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how I prepare these strong weight management gels. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, I'll be right back. So these are the main ingredients we'll be using for this particular juice. We need our ginger, we need our apple. Yeah, look at the size. We need a lemon. Okay, we'll use half and keep the rest in the fridge. We'll also be needing our cucumber. Okay, so we'll start by scraping the ginger to make sure that we don't have any sand hidden anywhere. And the rest of the ingredient, that's the apple, the cucumber, and the lemon, I use warm water plus salt to wash it very well to prevent any infection at all. Okay, so let's start by scraping our ginger. You all know ginger has got a lot of health benefits. In my previous video, I talked about how I prepare my ginger tea. I also talk about some amazing health benefits of taking ginger every day. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'll be leaving the link in the description section so that you can go and watch. Ginger aids in fat burning. It also boosts the immunity and also help fight infection. Now I'm done with the ginger. I need to give it a good wash and also wash the rest of the ingredient. That's the apple, the lemon, the cucumber separately in the warm water. So I'll be right back. So baby says she will not sit down. She would like to join us in the kitchen. So she's here with us. So you're welcome, baby. Yes, so I need to cut everything into pieces so that I can be able to blend it and get it smooth. Because I'm not going to sieve anything. I'm going to take it like that. The fiber is very important here. So I'll be cutting everything into pieces. Yeah. Okay. Next is to cut our apple into pieces. You know, there's a saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yeah, that is true. So let's look at some health benefits of taking apple. Apple help manage diabetes. It also promotes growth of healthy bacteria which enhance the immune system. You know, apple is also good for the skin and the eye. So if you want a good skin, you also have problem with your eye, then I recommend you take apple. The knife is not fast for me at all, so I need to change it to something that can help me get this quick. So I'll be using this one instead of the knife. So let's continue with the health benefits of taking apples. Apple is rich in fiber and antioxidant. That is why it aids in fat burning and is very good when it comes to weight management. So I recommend you take an apple a day and you are gonna be fine. So we are done chopping two ingredients, apple and then ginger. Next we will have to cut our cucumber too into pieces. So let's do that. Kakuba is also rich in fiber and also rich in alkaline. It's very good for the skin, aid in digestion, and also help when it comes to weight management. Lemon is very good for the skin, improve digestion, boost the immune system. It also aids in fat burning. That is why it's good for weight management. So you see all the ingredients we are using: the lemon, the cucumber, the ginger, the apple, all aid in fat burning. That is why we all need it. And they are very rich and very good for all of us. So I recommend we all take it. So I'm juicing the lemon. But my dear, if you don't have this, you can just use your hand and you are good to go. So we blend all the ingredients together. That's the apple, the ginger, and then the kakuba. We put everything in the blender and blend it using 1 cup of water. So in the first place, I'll use half of it and keep the half. After some time, I'll add the rest of the water. Yeah, so we are almost done with our juice. We are left the last thing to do. So I'm expecting to get 2 cups. So let's see whether my prediction be right. Yeah. So I'm almost right. Yeah. So we'll be mixing it with our lemon, and I'll be keeping one in the fridge and use it in the evening. Good. That is fine. So friends, don't forget to subscribe and also comment and like. Click on the notification bell anytime I share new videos so that you can get the notification. Also share with families and friends if you like it. I'll be sharing a lot of weight management juice and weight gain juice here. So please click on the subscribe button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hey, yeah, let's see. Our juice is ready. This is going to burn that belly fat in some few days for you. So we have so many options. You choose from the one you are comfortable with, okay? So we are going to take it together. That's so simple. You can do it, right? Let's get up and go straight to your kitchen and start doing it. So I'll reserve this one in the fridge and take it in the evening. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you always get the notification anytime I share a new video. Please, if you like this video, also remember to leave a comment. Thank you. We do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.